A apple, a. I itch, I. E ed, e. O octopus, ah. U up, X fox, x. Z zebra, z. Q queen, qu. A apple, a. E ed, e. I itch, I. O octopus, ah. Q queen, qu. R rat, r. U up, X fox, x. Z zebra, z.
In the Wilson program, we tap out words to segment and to blend sounds. Since the taps represent the sounds, these words will all have 3 taps. Change fingers for each tap. The word sad has 3 sounds: s, a, d. You should tap it out: s, index finger to thumb, a, middle finger to thumb, d, ring finger to thumb. When you blend these sounds into a word, tap them first, then slide your thumb across your fingers, starting with the first or index finger, while you say the word sad. S, a, d, sad. If your student has trouble tapping their fingers to their thumb, tap out the words on the table. The word sad is tapped s, index finger on the table, a, middle finger on the table, d, ring finger on the table. Then tap all 3 fingers on the table and say the word sad. Tap the same way when the word has a digraph, since it still has 3 sounds: sh, ah, p, shop. Some students have trouble tapping their fingers to their thumb. These students can tap out the words on the table. The word ship is tapped sh, first finger on table, I, second finger on table, p, third finger on table. Then tap all 3 fingers on the table as you say the word ship. Remember, tapping is a tool for both reading and spelling. For reading, have students tap when looking at a word. For spelling, have students tap when simply hearing the word without seeing it. Be sure students can do this skill even if they recognize the words quickly. On the other hand, many students will need to tap to be successful at reading the words. Initially, let them tap for all words, but over time, you want them to determine words without tapping.
R, a, sh, rash. Z, I, zip, a, path, w, a, k, whack, s, ch, such, v, e, t, vet. Word of the day. R, I, ch, rich. Let's take a closer look at the word of the day. Rich. Can anybody tell me, what does rich mean? There is two meanings for rich. The two meanings are having a great deal of money and plentiful. Take out your dry erase writing tablet. Point to the plane line, go down to the grass line, trace up to the plane line, and make a little curve. I, point to the plane line, go down to the grass line, make a dot. C, point to the plane line, fly back, make a curve to the grass line. H, point to the skyline, go down to the grass line, trace up to the plane line, and make a hump. Rich. Now we are getting ready to mark the word. Rich. I hear a digraph. Ch. How do you mark a digraph? One line makes one sound. Rich. One syllable. Syllable type. Rich is a closed syllable. You mark it with a small C in the middle of the word, underneath the scoop. Place your markers down. This is a very important listening skill. As I say the sentence, you're going to listen. Then we're going to repeat together, and you're going to count on your fingers how many words are in that sentence. The sentence is, first listen, she has a rich family. Go ahead and repeat with me. She has a rich family. Let's do it one more time and make sure that you're counting the words as we're saying it. She has a rich family. You should have 5 fingers up. That was 5 words in it. So go ahead and flip your board, your dry erase board, to the other side, and we are going to write the sentence now. On the other side of your board, you will notice 3 boxes. I'm going to put the word rich in the first box because that is the word of the day, and we are going to add that into our sentence. So remember the sentence. She has a rich family. She will begin with a capital letter, start at the first skyline, capital letter for the first letter in a sentence, and do not forget your finger spaces between words. Okay, you should be finishing the sentence, staying nice and neat between the lines. And the sentence was, she has a rich family. So now let's get ready for spelling. Erase your board, markers are down, it's spelling time. I will say a word, please listen, and when you see baby echo, you will repeat the word. When you see this hand, elbow is up, and you tap the word. Let's begin. Mat. At. Mat. When you hear the music, please erase your board and markers down. Next word. Quiz. Elbows up. Quiz. Quiz. Rich. 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 yet, y, et, yet. Sob, s, a, b, sob. Shut, sh, a, t, shut. Path, a, th, path. W or WH. It makes the same sound. W. When to use it? Let's do some practice with W and WH that makes the same sound. W. Your ears are listening and your markers are down. Here we go. Win. W, I, N. Win. Remember, sit up nice and tall, push your chairs in, and go ahead and write the word win. wig. Elbows up. Get ready for tapping. W, I, g. Wig. With. Elbows up. Time to tap. W, I, th. With. Wag. W, a, g. Wag. Whip. W, I, p. Whip. The word whip has a diagraph for the w sound, so please begin the word with a WH for w. Whiz. Elbows up. Begin tapping. W, I, z. Whiz. This is also another diagraph for the w sound, so please begin the word with a WH. It is time to put your dry erase writing tablet back into its Fundations pouch. Okay, so sit back and listen. I'd just like to review a couple of things that you learned in first grade. It's just a review. What three cards on this board make the sound K. The three cards that make the K sound are the C, the K, and the CK. Let's do another one. What two cards make the W sound? W sound. It is the W and the digraph WH. They both make the W sound. Now find the card that makes the Qu sound. Qu sound. It's our buddy letter QU. You did it. This was our Fundations lesson for the day.